What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at the EOZ Air. Now I've got two of these, so I'm gonna be giving one of these away, so stick around to the end of the video to find out how you can win this. Also, the last giveaway we held was a few weeks ago and I'm way late on this and I always am. The winner is right here. I'll email you soon to get your details so I can get that over to you, but for now, let's take a look at this. Now, EOZ Air. I've never heard of these, but they hit me up and they asked if I wanted to check them out. Now, they have an 8mm graphene-coated driver, so I'm hoping there's some pretty good bass. They're saying that it has premium audio, so that's always a plus. These have up to 90 hours of playtime. Now, don't let that confuse you. The earbuds themselves, they only have about 5.5 hours of battery life in them, but with the case, you can charge it up a few times for a total of about 90 hours. Also, it's running Bluetooth 5.0 with instant pairing, which means once you actually have it connected to your phone, you put them away, they disconnect, you take them out, they'll reconnect automatically. Not only that, but both earbuds have a built-in microphone, so I'm hoping that they'll work independently of each other, but we'll test that out. These are running about 110 bucks right now. From 27 customers, they got 3.5-star rating. So fingers crossed. Now it comes in 4 different colors. I believe this is the green one. It does come in black and black, black and silver, and white and rose gold. Ooh, that's the case. Oh, that looks slick. I'm not too sure about the green. Green really isn't my thing, but aluminum? Looks like an old aluminum like tin can. That's kind of cool. I'm digging that. What is this? Wait a minute. Oh, cool. So apparently you can take the earbuds and connect them together and have a cord back here. So if you want to pop them off, you can just let them hang. That's pretty cool. All right, then we got extra ear cups. You've got the regular rubber ones. They also included these memory foam style ear cups. These are really nice and comfortable. Instruction manual, USB to USB-C type cable. All right, on the case, the only thing you've got is a USB-C type port for charging up the case and the earbud. Oh, it's a magnet. Cool. Now, they're made out of plastic, but they've got this flexible, like almost rubber, I guess. And then here, I think that's metal, because that is not flexible at all. I kind of like that. That's a cool design. I haven't seen that yet. Got the teardrop shape to it with a nice ergonomic curve. You gotta have that. You get your connection points in the back for charging. You can see on the front of both of them, you got the microphone. Wow, that is a seal. Oh, I can hear myself. They look good. Yeah, I really like the design and they don't stick out too far. I'm definitely digging that. What? It says pairing already. Shake test not approved. Come back here. This right here is actually contributing to the failure of the shake test. This seems almost heavier than the earbud itself. I mean, you can see how heavy that is. Look how easy that's flapping around. Very flappy. Let's try that again. No, let's try it with this. But this is real simple. I think you just put it on the end like that. Oh, it's snapped in place, nice, okay. Now you got a cable to keep them from falling, but also if you want to, just take them out, drop them, there you go. You should see that more often in true wireless earbuds. No, they don't pass the shake test. Sorry, shake test not approved. Oh well. All right, there they are, the EOZ Air. Wow. Whoa, wow, it gets loud. It's got some volume. Nice range of sound. Very clear audio, okay. Let's try a little bass boosted. That's not the most intense bass that I've heard in some true wireless earbuds, but they're very clear. This song in particular has very low bass, so if the drivers aren't big enough, they just won't pick it up. But these actually pick up the bass pretty well. Yeah, it's pretty good. All right, let's check clarity real quick. Already it sounds really clear, but let's see what Rhett and Link are up to. All right, it's definitely got premium sound. They sound really clear. I'm not noticing any kind of latency, but let me go check the distance real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, that was kind of weird. All right, so I got about 40 feet or so, and then they kind of broke up for a second, but, excuse me, shush. Huh. Okay, well, see, that's why you read the manual. It's so well disguised. It's actually very responsive, but this is actually touch. This whole front part on both of them is a touch panel. See, tap it once, you pause it. What does twice do? Double tap, skip the song on the right earbud. Okay, that works really well. Usually you can kind of tell that it's touch, but you can't tell. I like the way they did that. They blended it in really nicely. Okay, so what I was gonna say is when I, sorry, when I got disconnected, well, sort of, when it started getting disconnected, it did this really weird thing I've never experienced before. Usually when they disconnect, they start just breaking up and you just lose the audio altogether. But for some weird reason, it started disconnecting and it got, I don't know, it was almost like a surround sound kicked in for like a half second. It was really weird. Let's try just the left one. Okay, so this is working by itself. Oh, see, that's sad. That's really sad. Unfortunately, you can't use them independently, so the dual microphones is really just for clarity. So let's test that out. Let's make a phone call. All right, so it is ringing in both of them. Hello? Wow. Wow, that is really loud. So, hey, I'm testing out some headphones. You sound really clear. How do I sound? Really? Almost as if I'm not even talking on a headset, huh? Nice. Yeah, you sound oddly clear. Like, yeah, like really clear. My ear hole is in your mouth hole right now. That sounds kind of gross. Okay, cool. Wow. You know, I'm really shocked. I don't think out of any headphones or earbuds that I've ever tested has a phone call sounded that clear to me. Usually they're all kind of generally the same unless, you know, they're really bad. And it's definitely got plenty of volume to play with, for sure. These sound fantastic. I only have two complaints. Everything about these is really good. I like the case, the design of the ear cups, how comfortable they are. This part is very well made, very clear. The touch is discreet. Phone call is super premium. The only two things that I could say that I would really like to see a change is this needs to not weigh so much. This is heavy. The second thing is they don't pair individually. So that's kind of a bummer, but overall, I think it's a really cool design. I'd like to see a Generation 2 without the weight of this and the addition of the dual pairing or individual pairing. I think that would be a big plus. Nonetheless, they're still pretty good, and they're $100, so I'm gonna be giving one away. Now, check the description down below. I'm gonna leave a link down there. It takes you over to rafflecopter.com. Minimum requirement is to subscribe to the channel. All the other options in there are optional. You don't have to do it, but if you do, it'll increase your odds of winning. Usually I run the contest for about 2 weeks, and then it ends, and then I draw a winner. I'm usually kind of late on it, but I always follow through, okay? So, so if you win, just be patient, I'll get to you for sure. So definitely go check that out, and if you are interested in the EOZ Airs, check out the link down below. I'll leave that for you. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here. And it's definitely got plenty of volume to play with, for sure. And I just spit while I said that. Okay, we ready for this? Are we ready for this? Test, test. 1, 2. Check, check. Mic check. What's up, guys?